In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set reminders in Notion. Reminders in Notion are a quick way to nudge yourself at exactly the right moment. Right where your work lives, you don't need a separate app or a complicated setup. The key is a simple keyword you can use anywhere you can type in Notion. Just write "remind," followed by natural language that describes when you want to be reminded. Let's start with the basics. Click into any page, note, or task, and type "remind tomorrow" to schedule a reminder for the next day. If you'd like to be more specific, write something like "remind Friday at 11 a.m. Notion understands common phrasing, so you can keep it conversational. If you prefer exact dates, you can also enter them in a clear format, like "remind April 1st, 2020, 6:10 o'clock a.m. Using AM or PM works. And 24-hour time works too, so use whichever style is most natural for you. After you press space or keep typing your sentence, Notion will recognize the reminder and attach it to your content. What happens next is simple. At the time you've specified, Notion will trigger the reminder so you can take action without having to remember it yourself. Because the reminder sits right in your page or task, it's easy to see the context of what you were planning to do when the time comes. This is especially handy when you are capturing ideas on the fly and want a light touch follow-up without breaking your flow. You can also use "remind" in comments to notify yourself or teammates about specific tasks. Open the comment field on a page or a block. Type your note and include "remind" with the timing you want, like tomorrow or Friday at 11 a.m. This keeps the reminder tied to the exact discussion or task it relates to, so nothing gets lost. It's a great way to prompt a follow-up, confirm a deadline, or make sure the right people see a timely nudge connected to the work at hand. A few quick tips for clarity. Keep your phrasing straightforward, like tomorrow, Friday at 11 a.m., or a specific date and time. The more precise you are, the more reliably Notion schedules the reminder at the moment you expect. And because "remind" works anywhere you can type in Notion, you can add it to meeting notes, project briefs, checklists, or simple to-dos, whatever fits your workflow. That's all you need to set effective reminders in Notion using "remind." Keep it simple, keep it contextual, and let Notion do the remembering for you. Thanks for watching.